composed of the Barangay of Madongo, headed by Punong Barangay Joseph Aklopon, IPMR Daniel Dumugon, from the Barangay of Tanulong, represented by Punong Barangay Ben Ayawan, IPMR Barnabas Layagan. From the Barangay of Banaan, headed by Punong Barangay Jose Zumbat, and represented by IPMR Andrew Dugao. From the Barangay of Agid, represented by Punong Barangay Manali Buacan, IPMR Nelly Ginao. From the Barangay of Pudur, represented by Punong Barangay Dominic Balikdan, IPMR Manuel Masgay. And from the Barangay of Fidelisan, represented by Punong Barangay Peter Patong and IPMR Nelly Bulat. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the Northern Zone.